Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to solve the assignment which I asked from you, that build an age calculation program. When someone enter the age 1 to 10, it should say you are a child. If greater than 10, less than 90, it should tell or it should print you are a teenage. Then else it could print a message that you entered greater than 90. So let's solve this. When we are talking about entering an age, so the age is a number. We should choose a variable type which is int, and the name of a variable which is age. The value first time we enter is 5. Now the age is 5. Let's work on the age variable. If the age, I put a if condition, and the age is greater than 1 or less than 12 or 13, then the if body, we can print a message like you are child. Now if you run this, it will print the message you are a child. Why? Because 13 is less than age is 5, and 5 is less than 13. So it is one condition. And next one is also we can add else if, and again age is greater than or equal to 13. We use and sign to compare between ages. If age is greater than equal to 13 and age is less than 19, so if we take also 19, we can put an equal, but we don't want to include 19. If age is less than 19, then print you are teenage. Let's run it. Of course it will print the first message because the age is less than 13. If we enter 14 and run it again, it will print the second message. What happened when we are entering 14? It will come in this line and see the value of age is 14, so 14 is not less than 13. This if block will be skipped and it will come to the else. When come here, the age here is greater than equal to 13. It is true, the age is 14. So the AND operator will check if the age is less than 19. Of course it's also true. Then it will print this message. Okay, else if any other number we enter, so we can put an else and give any other message that please enter an age less than 90, and let's run it. It will print the second message because our age is 14. If I enter the 50 and run it, it will print this message, please enter an age less than 90. So again we can give 7, it will calculate and give us the message that you are child. And if we put 10, and again it will be child because it is under 13. So we can put 18, it will give the second, you are teenage. Okay guys, this is the program and it is built. Now I hope you understand how to use if statement, and see you guys in the next video.